Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video we'll learn how to use factor command in Linux. So factor command is a Linux command that will print the prime factors of a specific integer number. Okay, so the usage of this command is pretty simple. So we just type factor and we type the number. For example, let's try 2. So it will print the factor of 2 is 2. And let's try another input 10. So it will print 2 and 5. If we tried factor 21, it will print 3 and 7. Okay. So this is the only usage of factor actually. If we do not provide the input, for example, just factor, it will read from the standard input. So we can provide here with 36, for example. Okay. And maybe 27. Oh, sorry, 37. Mistype it. And that's it. If you want to close this, we can press Ctrl C. So it will exit. So we can open the manual page for this command with man factor. So as you can see that factor have two options, help and version, and that's it. So it has no other option for this command. And it also have info page for factor. So similar help and version is available here. Sorry, it should be okay, this one. And we can also open factor help. So this is the help, and also check the version with factor version. So this is the version. So please note that this version is not factor version specifically, but the GNU Core Utils version. In here, the version is 8.30. So that's it for factor command in Linux. Hopes this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the How to Dojo channel, and see you on the next video.